Friends, welcome back to my channel The Tech Voice. So friends, in this video I am going to tell you that how you can convert this type of normal PC cooling fan into this. Friends, if we want to make a RGB fan, so we will be first needing a CPU fan, and we have to take out its propeller and then color it with white paint, because the white paint will give it a good texture afterwards. And then friends, after taking it out, we will be needing a RGB strip. I have only red color strip. If you have RGB, you can also install that. So friends, for installing the RGB strip, it is very easy. Just you have to take out this strip and then put it along this side. So let me put this. Friends, as you all can see that I have installed the LED strip into this casing, and now I have to solder some wires to it. So let me solder these wires. For this we will be taking a soldering iron, and now we will do the soldering job. Friends, now I am going to test these lights, but before testing I want to tell you something, that when you install these lights, you can see that I have installed it inside the body. So keep in mind that when you install it, the clearance between the propeller and the light is much, otherwise it will just stuck here like you can see. So this we can stick with hot glue, so that is no tension. But if gluing also not works, then you have to sand it, like I have did some sanding. You have to sand it, because when you buy the fan, the clearance between the body and the propeller is very small. So now let me test it. So I am going to test it with this power supply. So let me hook up. So friends, as you can see that my light is fully working and glowing also, you can see it here. And now we have to give it some finishing touches. So friends, I have glued this thing into here, and now you can see that the propeller is moving very freely. You can see it that it is moving very freely. And now we have to do all the connections. So when you solder it, you please see the connections how they are, because in LEDs the positive and negative matters. So in my case, the blue one is negative and white one is positive. So I will do parallel connections. So friends, now all the connections are ready and our fan is also ready. Now let's test it. So I will be again testing it with my power supply. So for testing, I will be just hooking up negative to negative and positive to positive. So here we go. You can see the beautiful fan. You can see it. So friends, now let's see how it performs in night. Let's turn off the light. You can see it, how beautiful it is looking now. So friends, this is for today's video. If you like the video, then please like it, subscribe to my channel and share it amongst your friends. Thanks for